Jordan's Welcome Home CD. Wow. A compilation of popular new songs and artists you missed over the past 2 years. Wow. Paradise.
Puppy, did you miss
Brandon Flowers has a Mormon.org site. Did you know that?
Yep. We just watched it.
You ball under the couch, huh?
Of course, that's the puppy.
Yeah.
And then there's this all.
Oh, candy. American candy. Oh my goodness. Neckos. I haven't even seen those in 2 years. Wow. Love Neckos.
Did I get you guys a Necco?
Yeah.
You guys don't
I gave them to Kylie. She
understand
goes,
what I'm
ew,
going
those
through
are
right
gross.
You didn't eat them?
now. Oh my
What happened to 'em?
gosh.
They're still on my desk.
Oh.
This is amazing. Thank you so much. This is the best gift ever. We are so excited that you're finally home safely and that the Thomas kids are reunited once again. We're proud of you and all the sacrifices you've made to serve the Lord for the past 2 years. And know that your service has blessed our family as much as it has the people in Ecuador. You've turned into a wonderful man and we can't wait to hear more stories and adventures. We love you and hope you enjoy this little gift we put together. Love, Megan and Whitney.
Oh. That's just
Thank you so
sweet.
much.
You're welcome.